Hello folks. Yeah, we're into another blizzard. We got up to 30 to 50 centimeters coming next 2 days now. You can see, I gotta shove out the door now, and I gotta get the snow blower out of it. Not enough room now to get this bike out of it. Yeah, then the snow blower gotta come out. Anyway guys, give me a little video there now. Yeah, this is April the 4th around there, 3rd or 4th or something. Usually this is over this time of the year. 100 kilometers wind coming down in a couple hours. We're hitting around 30 to 40 now. Yeah, it's not good. Anyway guys, just give you a quick video. Back in folks. Yeah, yeah, nice bit of snow. Young fella on the blower there now. It's a bad intro, wasn't so bad. Worse now starting her off, so. Yeah, got a blizzard right up to tomorrow evening now. Everything coming. 10mm rain coming at once. Get this done now before the rain comes, and yeah, wicked stuff. Alright folks, check back with you later. Hello folks, back again. Yeah, it's getting drizzle rain there now. Just headed towards the corner store to pick up a few things. Yeah, we had a nasty one. 30 centimeters I suppose. Falling a few drifts in the road. I'm reading that Tom Chipwood, you're out of the hospital there, buddy. That's good news. Hope you're on a speedy recovery. Yeah, took a hard smack there, buddy. And Shalisa Shell, she's going in the hospital. Well, she's in there. She got a call last night doing a kidney transplant. Hope everything turns out okay for you. Yeah. Wicked. Anyhow, I just want to do a little quick video there. Yeah. So, yeah, we're going to get another smack of snow tonight. Another 20 centimeters. They say it's going to come, and could be a bit of freeze rain with that too. And yeah. For April the 3rd, I hope this spring is over, or it's starting, I should say. The winter's over. Man, oh man, it's wicked old winter. Yeah, the cow spat coming in there. Just past one of the high road trucks in, and she broke down, tore the blade off her over there by Elview. Yeah, hard stuff to plow. Anyway, guys. Said now, Tom, speedy recovery there, buddy, and Shalisa, I hope everything works out good for you, and you get out of the hospital soon. Take care there, guys, and all the best to you. Hello folks. Well, 2 days storm over with. Let's see what the highway is like there now. Trying to get to Clareville. Yeah, look, nice big plow was through here earlier. Man, oh man, she done some pushing. Everybody digging out. Yeah, it's wicked stuff. Last one for the year, hopefully. What do you think, Beans?
I don't know. You know I love snow.
Yeah, the boys there digging themselves out. Wicked. Yeah, guys. We got 3 days of sun and 9 degrees Saturday with rain. So hopefully we can call it spring. Take care and all the best to you, and we're on the highway there now, so all the best to you.